Everybody, in this video we will learn about user input. So for example, we want to make something happens when a certain key is pressed. We can use this method. So we have created one script here named user this test input, and we have to place this script on any of the game object. We can create a new object as well, or we can use any of these objects. So I am using main camera, so we will drag and drop this script on the main camera. So now this script is included into our game. So now we will open the script, and whenever we use the input keys, we have to use these keys inside the update method, because the update method is repeatable method again, which repeats the things again and again. So here we will, for input keys, we will first make a if statement, and we will say that input dot get key down. Okay, there are three methods: get key down, and get key up. Get key means when the key is, we hold the key, and that function is called get key. Okay, that the hold process. So it's a repeatable process. This get key up when we leave the key, and get key down when we press a key once. Okay, so we are using get key down in this case. So we will make the curly braces, and we will say key code dot whatever the code we need. We have lot of keys here. You can see every key, joystick buttons are also there, so you can select any key. So we are selecting space key, so we will select space, and then we will make the curly braces, and here we can put our function. So in this case we are just simply adding the debug.log function, and we will write space key here. Okay, so let's save the script, and we will move to Unity and wait for a second. When the script compiles, then we will play the game, and hopefully everything will be fine. So we will go to console, we will clear the older things, and when we press the space, you will see the space key here. Okay, so like this, and it appears once. Okay, so like this we can make the input for space key. Similarly, if we copy this code and we just duplicate this code, and we will apply the function of get key, just get key. Okay, so here we will place a code, let's suppose R, yeah, whatever you want. So here we will put R key. So what it means, that whenever we hold a key, this will happen. So let's save it, and then we'll move to Unity, clear the debug.log, and let's play the game. So now if we press once space, you can see space key. If we press R, you can see R is repeatedly happening. Okay, this debug is repeatedly happening, and you can see in console 637 times it has done. Okay, so this is the functionality of this get key function, and the last function is get key up. When we leave a key, so we will make a some key here. Let's make it L for example, and we will say L key. Save it, and then we will try it in Unity editor. So let's open the editor, and now we will play the game, and then we will press the L key, and you can see nothing happens. I have pressed the L key. When I leave the L key, then this console message will appear, okay, like this. Okay, when we press space, this happens. When we press R, this happens. Okay, so that's it for the basic input keys, that how we can apply the input keys into our game, and we will learn some advanced things in near future. So that's it for this video. Let's meet in next video. Goodbye.